Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the power key right here. Once you see it, you want to hold power off. As you can see, it will then change into safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on it once again, and this will initiate a reboot and boot you into obviously safe. And here we go. As you can see, we are now in safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-existing applications will work, the ones that you basically get with the device. And even those, some of them will be disabled. Fortunately, in this device, one of the apps that is disabled in safe mode is Facebook. Even though it comes basically with the device, it's still blocked by Facebook, or not by Facebook, but by Samsung. And as you can see, if you try to open it up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So at least props to Samsung for basically making sure that Facebook is blocked in this mode. Now every app that is just in normal colors as they usually are will run no problem, and any app that is like this one, monochrome, will not be able to run. So we have Facebook, we have tips, and well, that's about all we have here that can't run. So that is basically all the apps that wouldn't run here. Now the reason for them, for the apps that can't run here, is so if you have some kind of problem with an app and you boot the device into safe mode, well, that app can't run anymore. So whatever problem it was causing you should be resolved now and should be able to deal with it without any kind of problem. And once you're done with safe mode, to leave it, all you would need to do is go back to the power options right here and simply select restart. It will reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.